Hi, I'm Rakesh Luthra. This is Mannshaft Intelligence, a multi-agent business intelligence platform built for Kaggle Google Agents Intensive Capstone project. Let me show you how we are transforming SaaS analytics from a 10 to 15 hours weekly task to a sub 60-second automated process. Here's what we'll cover. I will start with problem we are solving, show you a live demo of the system in action, then dive into the architecture and how this aligns with everything I've learned in the 5-day intensive course. Modern SaaS companies are drowning in data. Revenue, product, and support teams each generate massive amounts of metrics, but they work in silos. The result? Teams spend 10 to 15 hours every week just aggregating data from different sources. By the time insights are compiled, they are already outdated. Executives spend 40% of their time gathering data rather than making decisions. And here's the real cost. Companies spend $200,000 to $500,000 every year on BI analysts doing repetitive work. Cross-domain insights, like noticing that product engagement drops lead to churn spikes, go completely undiscovered. This is the problem Mannshaft Intelligence solves. Our solution delivers 3 core benefits. First, time savings. We compress 10 to 15 hours of manual work into sub 60 seconds. Second, quality. Our system achieves a 0.94 average quality score with external search validation to verify every insight. Third, discovery. Automated cross-domain correlation finds patterns that human analysts miss, like connecting support ticket spikes to feature adoption drops. But don't take my word for it. Let me show you. Here's the real high-level architecture. We have 3 analytical agents: revenue, product, and support, running in parallel. A synthesizer agent cross-correlates their findings, and a governance layer with guardrails, evaluation and human in the loop ensures quality and safety. Let me show you this in action. This is Mannshaft Intelligence dashboard. I'm going to run a week 8 analysis. Watch what happens. Notice how the agents start executing in parallel. The revenue agent is analyzing MRR, churn, and ARPU. Product agent is looking at engagement metrics. Support agent is processing ticket data. You can see real-time logs showing exactly what each agent is doing. This is observability we built in. The process is near completion now. Done. Sub 60 seconds for a complete cross-domain analysis. Let's look at the report. Here's what the synthesizer produced. We have executive summary, domain-specific insights, and this is key, cross-correlations that connect revenue trends to product engagement to support patterns. See these recommendations? These insights take human analysts weeks to discover. Every report gets evaluated. This one scored 100% overall. Factual grounding, 100%. Consistency check, passed. Now, let me show you the human in the loop system. When Guardrails agent detects high-risk insights, it escalates for human review. The human can approve or reject. Now let me show you what is under the hood. Here's the full system architecture. On the left, you see the flow diagram. From user trigger through orchestration, parallel agent execution, synthesis, governance, and final delivery. The table shows each component's responsibility. The orchestrator manages session lifecycle and coordinates all agents using ADK. Each analytical agent uses ADK and Gemini 2.0 Flash for reasoning. Everything's observable through distributed tracing. Backend is fast API with Python, Gemini 2.0 Flash for all AI reasoning, and MCP protocol for Google Sheets integration. Frontend is Next.js and React, and real-time WebSocket updates. This could be deployed to GCP Cloud Run. Two key implementations I want to highlight. First, the agent-to-agent protocol. Each agent has a discovery card with capabilities. The orchestrator sends structured messages with correlation IDs for tracing. This enables true agent-to-agent communication. Second, the ADK integration. Here's how the revenue agent uses the tool decorator to fetch data via MCP, then uses Gemini for reasoning. This is the pattern from day 2 of the course applied at scale. Let me show you exactly how this maps to the 5-day intensive course. Day 1, agents and architecture. We built 7 agents, orchestrator plus 3 parallel analytical agents, synthesizer, guardrail, and evaluation. Day 2, tools and MCP. Full MCP integration with Google Sheets, Google Search for grounding, and custom rule engine. Day 3, context and memory. Memory bank for cross-session history. And day 4, quality and evaluation. Comprehensive observability with distributed tracing, plus a dedicated evaluation agent with 5-dimensional scoring. Lastly, day 5, prototype to production. Agent-to-agent protocol for inter-agent communication, all powered by Gemini 2.0 Flash, ready for deployment. Full documentation is available on Kaggle write-up, GitHub repo with inline documentation and README files in every directory explaining the functionality. Looking ahead, predictive analytics, expanded integration with Stripe and HubSpot, natural language queries, and enterprise features. This is a production-ready foundation. Thank you for watching. The code is open source on GitHub. The write-up is on Kaggle. I'm Rakesh Luthra. Feel free to reach out with any questions. This is Mannshaft Intelligence, turning 10 to 15 hours of analytics into sub 60 seconds. Thank you.